So, very good morning, students. So, now let us continue with our discussion on Marx theory. As what we have discussed the earlier points in the earlier discussion, here today we will discuss what are the other ideas that are included in Marx theory. And another idea here, the third point, it is his theory or the theory of surplus value. What is this surplus value? This surplus value, it refers to the profits that did goes to the pockets of the capitalist. Okay, or in simple words, what we can say is that it is a difference between the 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 wages that is being paid to the workers and the um, the market value of the output that is being sold. Okay, and yes, in simple words, it simply referred to the profits that are being enjoyed by the capitalist. And once what we can say here is greater the surplus value, greater will be the rate of exploitation, which means the capitalists will be able to reap huge amount of profits if they can exploit the working classes, if the rate of exploitation is greater and greater. Okay, and what has been stated here by Marx, it is the reinvestment of this surplus value that results to the prosperity of uh, of the society in general under the capitalist societies. Another important point that is included in Marx theory, it is the concept of the reserve army. What we had already learned earlier, one of the important factors that do play a very important part in bringing in development or growth in a particular country or economy is technological progress. And yes, the capitalist, in order to be able to enjoy or maximize their profits, yes, they will introduce different types of methods or adopt modern scientific methods in order to enhance their profits or, yes, in order to increase their profits. So, if I say, if the producers are adopting modern technology, definitely their production will increase tremendously. Okay, and once production increases tremendously, it also indicates that the profits that go to the producers will also keep on increasing. And here, what can be clearly stated here, if I say technological progress, I'm talking about the labor saving devices. That means the producers or the capitalists, they start opting for the capital intensive techniques in which different types of machines are being used uh, in in the field of production. So if different types of machines are being used in the process of production, so what happened was many workers, many laborers will be thrown out of work. Okay, so as as time passed by in such a society, that means in these capitalist societies, okay, the number of unemployed workers or laborers will keep on increasing, and those workers who are with a job, who are being thrown out because the producers no longer require their services, those they are referred to as the reserve army. And yes, the number of the reserve army or the size of the reserve army did keep on increasing. Okay, why is because of due to the increase in population or due to the steps that is being adopted by the producer to go for a capital intensive technique instead of a labor intensive technique. So through this particular uh, path that the producer are following, what happened was we can see that the wage rate tends to decline. the wages that are being enjoyed even by those workers that are employed in the work, okay, is getting lower and lower. So this itself, together with the technological progress, it will brings in so many changes in the society. And not only that, it will also help to raise the capital formation in the society, and thus brings in development.